Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create animated videos using AI for absolutely free. So whether you want to create a micro learning training video or you want to create an explainer video, this tutorial is going to be absolutely for you. We are going to be using a tool called Steve.ai. I think it was formerly called Animator. Now, just come to Steve.ai, to Google rather, and search for Steve.ai, and then it's going to bring you to this page. Then all you need to do is to click on sign up, and mind you, they have a free plan. We're going to be using the free plan. I am on the dashboard of my Steve.ai account, and I want to click on text to animation. And when I click, it's going to bring me to this particular page. Now it's asking me what's my video about. I could go ahead and tell it, if I upgrade to the paid plan, I could use this particular functionality, but I don't want to do that. I want to use my own script. So I'm going to go to ChatGPT and I'm going to tell it, generate me a script for a video, for an explainer video about the benefits of brushing your teeth every morning. So I want just one person to be talking, and I'm going to hit enter for ChatGPT to do its thing. So ChatGPT gives me this screen, this script rather, and it gives me several scenes. This is the opening scene. This is the next scene. I'm just going to copy this text and remove some bloat from it. I'll copy this. I'm going to come to Steve.ai. I'm going to paste that script one, and then I'm just going to do the editing. So I have a basic script here with just 4 scenes. So what do I need to do? I'm going to give it enter type. Beneath here, I'm going to say explainer video, and then the type animated video, of course, and then the source. I'm just going to leave it the way it is. Auto highlight, this should be a pro feature. I don't know, add voiceover, add music, and I'm going to click on next. Now it gives me this particular template which I can use. I could use this lady, I could use this lady here, this particular guy. Now I'm just going to click on this particular one, and I want it to be horizontal video, and the scene is loading. Now Steve.ai gives me this particular template, which if I play it here, you can see, but you also notice that there is no sound in it. Then you see this lady talking. All right, I'm going to pause this. I want to add some sound to it. I want to hear the person actually doing the narration. So I'm going to click on voiceover. So immediately I click on that voiceover, it gives me sound now. Now, if we play this, you can listen to that. I will increase the volume. That's fine. So it's looking pretty good here. You can see add asset here. You could click and add another character. You can see these ones. Let's choose this particular one and apply. And you could add him here. You could remove this particular one and add this doctor here instead. Since it's about teeth health, it's going to look a lot better. So if I play this right now, so you can see that it's looking a lot better. You can also change the music, background music from here. You can click and you can change the background music from here. Now, The next thing you could do is just to go, or you could change the character, change another character here. Let's say you want to use this character. I could search here for doctor. I don't see any results, but I'll just choose this particular guy and apply to all scenes. So for all the scenes, instead of the lady, you're going to see him. Now let's play that and here. It doesn't appear to work very well, so I'm just going to change them manually. I'm going to change these characters manually. I'll choose apply. I'll choose here and still change the character. Apply. And mind you, when I come here, I could also change the action. What we see that he's just standing. And I could look for brushing. For brushing, since we are doing a video about tooth, I'll look for brushing. So here he is brushing his teeth. I'm just going to click on that. And if I play this video right now, mind you, all of this was randomly done. I never planned on this. All right. So I could also come here and change this character to this particular person. I will apply. And you could change the action. I could change the action. You could even change the color. I'm going to click on change action. And we put him in bed. So that's him. It's in bed. I could also add an outro. And after having done all of that, you could also change the transition. Maybe you don't want the current transition. I could click on this right transition here. Here too, I could change the transition to be something top. And then here, the transition, I could say left. And then this one, the transition, I could say bottom. If I now play this video, so you see the transitions there. Now, for the free version, when you click on publish, you can only download this in 720p. You can't go higher than that. Actually, I think 480p. All right, they upgraded it to 720p. You can give it your title. You can say toothbrush explainer. Toothbrush explainer. And you can download this in MP4. And now you can go ahead and download this. Okay, the music download in other formats. No. I'll just click on download here. I don't seem to see the download button. That it should be somewhere here. If I click on 480, does it appear? Okay, this music. No, 480. And if I click on this, edit link. I want to believe the issue is the music we have here. We have music here which probably we are not licensed to use. So you can remove the music and use your own music and click on download, and you can download it to your computer. So that is how to create free explainer videos using AI. If you got any value out of this video, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell. God bless you. Peace.